Hey there, it's Krissy Mireles. Okay guys, this is what we're going to talk about today, bringing you market updates. So I'm going to talk specifically about Ellis County first, and then I'm going to kind of talk more about, the whole DFW Metroplex and kind of what to expect. So Ellis County, this is how things are performing right now. We have 2.5 months worth of inventory. So homes on the market. We still are a strong seller's market, but we are kind of shifting. Our market is shifting and softening a little bit, and we are halfway to a buyer's market. So if you're a seller and you've been on the fence wondering, is now the time to sell my home? I'm going to tell you, yes, now is the time to sell your home. Capitalize on this market. It has been a fantastic market. I've seen things in this market that I've never seen. I've been selling real estate for over 25 years, and this has been one of the craziest markets that I've seen thus far. What I love about it is, our highest appreciating city in Ellis County has been Midlothian. But you know what? We put somebody in a home, actually I think we had maybe 3 people last year that we put somebody in a home in Midlothian. They paid top dollar for it. They contact us to sell their home because they're either relocating or divorced. And even with the realtor's fees, we're able to get them out of the property and even with money in their pocket. I've never seen a market like that before, where somebody actually still made money as opposed to having to pay because of those realtor fees. Okay, so that's a little snapshot of Ellis County, what's going on. People are getting, average days on the market are 60 days. People are getting 96% list to sales price ratio. I'm going to let you know on my team, we're bringing it. We get people 99% or more. I do things differently to position your properties on the market to get you top dollar in the least amount of time with the least amount of inconveniences to you. So I'll leave you with that. All right, let's kind of segue a little bit and let's talk about what's the forecast for 2019. So 4 indicators that I'm going to talk about, 4 key things that Realtor.com put out a 2019 forecast. So 4 things that we're going to look forward to in 2019. Number 1 is we're going to have more homes on the market. So like I said, if you're looking to sell your home, now's the time. More homes on the market, but it looks like what's going to happen is luxury or higher price points are going to stay on the market longer and probably have to get a little bit more creative in actually moving that product or moving those homes. So that's number 1. Number 2, let's talk about affordability. So in the DFW Metroplex, this place has been going bonkers, for the last couple of years. This is fantastic for DFW, really. We have tons of growth. We have so many things going on. Google announced they're going to buy, and build a plant or some manufacturing thing in Midlothian. So that's coming to Ellis County. But let's talk about affordability. Things are not going to be as affordable. You see affordable housing, and I'm talking maybe $250,000 price point and down. It's getting tight, guys. It's getting really tight. So that, coupled with interest rates increasing, and if prices are going up on those lower priced price points, might price you right out of the market if you're a first-time home buyer. So affordability, on homes. For 2019, they're saying up, it's going to be lack of affordable homes. So that's number 2. Number 3, they're talking about who in the marketplace, who are our buyers, who are buying the homes. And this kind of knocked me off my chair, actually. So according to Realtor.com forecast, it says that 45% of the home buyers last year were millennials. Kudos to you guys. We got the youngsters getting off the fence and actually buying property. So that's fantastic. So it's millennials. You had 17% of baby boomers and I think 36% of Gen Xers. And they're saying really who's going to capitalize this year are people that are moving up. So let's say you own a home right now, you're going to put your home on the market, you're going to get top dollar for it, and you're going to move into buying a new home. So they're saying that, and that could be new home or resale home, but you're going to gain equity. You're going to have some money there off the equity of your home because there's been so much appreciation. It's going to allow you to go dump it into the next home. And the last thing, which I call the wild card, is the new tax law. So we don't know how this is going to shake down until April of 2019, but they're saying, hey, people refunds, mortgage deduction, interest, the mortgage interest deduction, is it staying, is it going? So we'll have to see what shakes down after April to see how that's going to affect all of the real estate. But all in all, there you have it. There's a market update. So here's what my take on all of this is. Market is still performing well. If you're a seller, jump in the market. Contact us today. I'd be more than happy to evaluate your home, let you know what we do, why we're so successful in getting properties sold, and for above average than what the average agent sells it for. We'll make you more money. And if you're a buyer, jump into the market. The interest rates are still low. I mean, we saw the tail end of 2018, you saw interest rates starting to climb. Then you had a little bump in the stock market and interest rates went back down. So they're hovering at about 4.375, still a fantastic interest rate. These are historically still low interest rates. So if you're a buyer or seller, now is the time. Contact the Krissy Mireles today. We will definitely get you to the finish line and a winning finish line. But guys, until next time, you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.